Then you shoot.
Red ball.
TJ. TJ looking. Oh, rebound! Rebound Mercado. Puro rebound din agad ha. Randy. JB Randy connection. TJ. Balik sa Yorasa. 3. Miss. Kuha ni Janicio. Janicio Rani. Janicio slip. Louis. Rebound TJ. TJ looking ahead. Pass ahead. Kaya turning. Perfect. Blue ball. What defense by Mercado? Last shot. Hindi gusto mo rebound. Ayun na nga. Grabe, pusin din. Balik kay Randy. Randy to Louis. Nice cut. Nice cut, Randy. Nice point through. So, Ayan looking. Di gumagalaw ang teammates niya. Genesis in the corner. Genesis shooting. Miss. Rebound Morgado. Julian. Fully pushing. 3 on 2. 3 on 2. Dalawa ang bukas ng bubong.